Hey there YouTubers, how you guys doing? Today I'm going to do my review on my Discount Vapors CE5 Rebuildable Clearomizer. I got this at Discount Vapors. They're $4.79, I think. Yep, $4.79 plus shipping. They're really good little tanks. They're just like the Vision V2s with the where you unscrew the bottom. The tank comes apart. It's got a changeable head and all that. I got a 1.5 ohm head on it right now. 1.5 ohms. I'm really impressed with it. Even on the Smoke Tech with the pulse width modulation that is not RMS, it's working really good on this. I'm going to put it on a self-built mod. And show you a vape on it. This has three 14/500s in parallel, giving it almost 2,000 milliamps of power. Now the only thing about this is it is a ego recessed device, just like your Vision Clearomizers and everything. The center pin is threaded, but it has a spring pin in it like the Smoke Tech VV Nova. I'm really starting to like these things the more I use them. This one here I've had no problems with. I did pop a coil with it, putting it on my VMAX at too high of a voltage. Went to take a hit off it and popped the coil. That's why I got 1.5 ohm coil in it now that I've rebuilt myself. But I am going to show you a close-up, and do forgive the scratching on this thing, because there we go. The Discount Vapors logo is scratched a little bit, and as you can see, I've used quite a bit out of this already, and I really haven't been vaping it a whole lot today, but it has been one of my main vapes. I've vaped 0.4 milliliters in the last hour, which is quite a lot for me. I usually don't vape a whole lot like that, but if I'm really getting into something and I start vaping on it and I'm liking it, I'll keep vaping it. As you know, I have many tanks. I have the Smoke Tech VV Nova, which usually sits on my VMAX. I have the Kanger T2, the Kanger MT3, the Kanger T3, as you guys know, I have the Vision Mini Nova and the Vision Full-Size Nova. Out of all tanks I've been using, I've actually been using this cheaper Discount Vapors tank more. It has a better overall flavor. than all the other tanks, other than the Kanger T3 and the MT3. I do have to rebuild the MT3. I haven't used it. That's why I started using this, to basically take over what the MT3 needed to be done, and it's really been working great. I'm glad I did get this. I am going to be buying more. They're a pretty good tank for all the more you're going to be paying for them. $4.79. They are rebuildable, like your VV Nova, your Smoke Tech VV Nova, your Kanger T2, your Kanger T3. If you're capable of rebuilding it, you can rebuild this real easily. It's basically like a VV Nova head. I've rebuilt this one already because I popped the coil, as I said. I rebuilt it to 1.5 ohms. I use heavier gauge because I use high voltage. Like right now, this is reading 1.6 ohms. It's a little bit stiff draw because it's recessed down into the Smoke Tech, the VMAX, in a device that's not surrounding the actual outer skirt part. It's actually a fairly decent draw. It's a little bit tighter than what Kanger T3, Kanger T2. I mean, it's not as loose as a Kanger T2 or a Kanger T3 or VV Nova. It's a lot tighter of a draw, but it works for the device. Other than that, I have nothing else to say. Thanks for watching. Vape on, and catch you later.